shit, I'm dizzy. Who's this? With the swag.
He's doing kick trips.
Kick trips?
Kick tricks.
Kick tricks? Big skateboard guy.
Hey, wait. Stand there real quick.
Whoa, you got really close to me back there.
What is that?
Hey, there, hold on. A lot of blood on that seat. I mean, look at
I'm not gonna stop doing knee knockers. You're gonna have to start.
Yo, do a seat stander.
Oh, no, get off!
He's never felt such power before.
I was like, oh, he's doing fun.
Why don't we go TSR, guys?
Right now.
We just don't worry about anything.
Are we not going?
We should be in Tijuana right now. When your homie has to ride your bike. I want to ride the YZ. Send me this piece of shit. Lemon.
Hey, grab a phone. I'll push you.
Fucking FTP, bro.
You think you can fucking load it with this much run up? Got that. You literally were like this high.
Bro, I love that bike.
Wait, can you... You know, she ain't no supermoto, but she's pretty cool.
She awfully broke, homie. Broke ass. Oh my god, supermoto wheels.
I did the pop over dip.
Your fucking ass. He's still recording.
Oh, what in the fuck?
Yeah, I just noticed that.
Did you just do this?
Like yesterday.
Oh my god! Josh cut a foot hoop.
Every day we stray further from bike life.
Hey.
But now I worry about getting poopies all over me while I'm riding.
When you go through gravel, you can't hit your helmet. All the time.
I'm excited for that now. We're gonna one hand knee knock. Let's go. Supermoto. Alright, let's fucking do this shit. All nice in there. Show the boys what we're doing. Oh, he's trying to be freaky knot guy. Oh, I gotta see that. Oh.
I saw your foot hooping, so I had to join you.
Hell yeah. Foot hoop guys. Yo, how's your sit down coasters?
Pretty good.
Can you just go back a little bit and then like start to coast at that sign with the fire hydrant is? Coast next to each other.
Fire hydrant as far as we can?
Yeah.
Let's...
That was definitely neutral.
Yes!
Oh no! It's always so sketchy. It's great.
That's the first time ever been tried to stand on my seat.
It doesn't look bad, dude. That's pretty good.
They gotta see what I look like.
We're doing the thing. What the? That's amazing. I'm blown away. That's so good, dude.
That's the first time I ever tried that.
Be careful. You got the 2 feet already with the steves.
Big L, rest in peace.
Fucking came in like
Dukes of Hazzard getting it.
literally ollied the curb. And then fucking. This guy's pissed, rightfully so. Bro, I'm not the one who spun out. Don't be mad at me. You got it, dude. Oh, they got tension. Hit it. Oh, that's fucking. Got it!
Don't hit the gas, you fuck! Listen, don't hit the gas! You understand what I'm saying? I already told you, you said yeah! Don't hit the fucking gas! It's neutral! Put it in neutral, I know it's your fault! It's all your fault!
Thank you. I appreciate it.
Hold on a second.
Yeah, that's right here.
Hell yeah, dog.
My life, get out!
Okay.
Park. Yo, just...
I don't think it ain't gonna work.
Where's the goddamn sign? Like the guy who crashed.
That's right here.